can.
Garrett,
I can.
where's the paper for it?
Let me get it, okay?
Okay.
You excited?
Yeah, where's the paper? Yeah, we will be free to do it.
Okay, you have to watch your hands, okay?
Can I touch it?
Nope.
Wow.
It's hot. It's hot. Super hot. Is this your first design, Julius?
It's our first design. And this is not my first design.
It's not.
It's my first design.
Yeah, it's really hot. Gotta keep your hands off of it, okay?
Okay. 11 design. 11. I already did 10 designs. Violet. Design, yes.
We have to wait until it dries, okay? Are you excited? It's your first design, huh?
See? I'm really excited that it's his first design. See how it is. Is it done yet?
No.
See, that's my
You're what?
very good.
You're so excited? Wait, no! It's not done. It's not done.
What?
Has to do it on the other side now.
I said, right here.
Okay.
It's hot?
Hot.
And what?
Low.
Look at this, Mommy.
Good. It's what?
It's just my design now.
Your first design?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Julius, you did a good job.
Thanks.
You put every single one of those beads on there, didn't you?
Yeah.
Wow.
No, then. I'm so excited.
You're what?
I'm so excited.
You're so excited? It's your first design, Julius!
Oh, let me see. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Let me see. Oh, no.
It's okay. Did he do a good job or what?
It's my first design. It broke my heart.
Huh?
It broke my heart.
It broke your heart? Just because it was so neat that he did that?
Yes.
You're so excited for him, huh? Julius, you did a great job!
Yeah,
Yeah, good job!